Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Coordinator of Economic Education Study Program, Mrs. Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikensari, SA, MSA. The Honorable Coordinator of Accounting Education Concentration, Mrs. Ati Sumiati, SA, MM. The Honorable Guide Lecturer, Mrs. Santi Sutanti, SPD, MAK. And the ranks of lecturer at the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta, which I cannot mention one by one, but do not reduce my respect. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Regita Nestiana from the Accounting Education Study Program, especially Accounting Education Concentration 2019. On this occasion, I will present the result of my internship report entitled Internship Report in Finance Account Payable Division at PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja. This is topic for discussion. First, place of work practice. 2. Company profile, company structure, company business field, implementation of work practice, and the last constraint and solutions. First, place of work practice. Company name is PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja. Company address, Kuningan City Mall Building, second floor Finance Department, Prof. Dr. Satrio Street, Cov 18, RW 14, RW 4, Karet Kuningan, Setiabudi, South Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. Company contact by phone, email, and website. Next, this is a company profile. PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja is a subsidiary of PT Adi Sarana Armada, which is part of Triputra Group. PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja is engaged in application technology-based logistics and is head office in South Jakarta. PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja has been operating since March 2019. And then this is company vision and mission. The vision, to become a technology-based delivery service provider, company that continues to grow to create shared values through active collaboration with all stakeholders, communities, and society. And the mission, providing delivery service based on the latest technology based on strong values as a form of contribution to the country's growth and improving the welfare of all stakeholders. And the next, this is a company value. We call it Satria, as with in Bahasa Sigap, executing all duties swiftly. A, safe in Bahasa Aman, handle work with care and uphold security and safety at work. T, trust in Bahasa Terpercaya, carry out tasks according to the assigned role. R, friendly in Bahasa Ramah, create a memorable interaction experience. A, integritas in Bahasa, do what is right and ought to be, not just what a desire. And the last, A, faith in Bahasa Amanah, maintain truth and responsibility wholeheartedly. And then this is company structure. The first company structure of PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja, lead by director, assist by deputy director, and then this is a sales marketing department, IT product and technology department, operating department, finance and accounting department. This is my department, practice, and then this is quality. And then there is quality assurance, network and GACREM, IT development department, transportation management department, business development department, internal audit, IT service and product management, human capital, and business project management department. And next, structure of finance and accounting department. This is a six division. First, account payable division. This is my division of practice. And then next, account receivable, accounting, tax, treasury, and procurement. And then this is structure of account payable division, led by VP Finance and Manager. Assist by Assistant Manager, this is for subdivision, OPEX, UMRMD, claim and cash out and network, cost of goods sold and transportation, and locate finance or cashier. The subdivision led by SVP, assisted by finance officer. The cashier subdivision that assists in receiving, inputting, processing, and handover invoice from the other three subdivisions in the finance account payable division, including operational and expenditure subdivision, cost of goods sold and transport subdivision, and reimbursement claim cash out and network subdivision. The practitioner is responsible for being the admin finance of PT Triadi Bersama Antaraja. Next, company business field. Someday, next day, and regular. Same day. Delivery is done at the same day. Next day, delivery is done at next day or tomorrow. Regular delivery is done within 3 to 7 working days. 5. Implementation of work practice. Checking the invoice file in accordance with company regulation. Checking invoice files refer to guidelines listed in internal memo payment flow. This is text and carried out twice a day at the time of sending the invoice soft copy by email and when receiving the invoice hard copy from the vendors. Handling emails about soft copy invoice from the vendors. Before the vendor sends a hard copy of the invoice must be confirmed according to the province by the finance team. The practitioner is responsible for checking and answering email from vendors. This task is performed when work from home. And next, receiving invoice file from vendors. Receipt of invoice for vendors can be done in two ways. First, directly at the finance counter and indirectly by sending invoice files by expedition. This task is performed when work from office. And then inputting invoice data into Google Sheet or invoice tracker. The practitioner is in charge of inputting invoice into Google Sheet after receiving and checking invoice from vendors. Inputting invoice into Google Sheet is usually called an invoice tracker. This is intended for tracking and monitoring invoice other than through the company system. And next, handover invoice file to user. Invoice that have been input will be placed in folder that has been classified according to the user's department. This task is done next day after the invoice is inputted. The practitioner will contact the user by company's Microsoft Teams and the user will take the invoice to the finance counter. And next, classify the invoice file that has been paid. Practitioner also assists in classifying invoice files that have been paid according to the payment date. Payment dates occur every Tuesday and Thursday. The practitioner will adjust the invoice payment to Microsoft Excel with a hard copy of the existing invoice. This task is carried out of 3 to 4 times a month in the finance team's warehouse. After the data on Microsoft Excel and hard copy of the invoice are appropriate, the practitioner will stamp the hard copy of the invoice and classify it according to date of payment. The classified hard copy will be placed in and the invoice rack has been paid. And then perform daily recapitulation on the total incoming, hold, and handover of the invoice on a regular basis. The hard copy of the invoice file and soft copy of the incoming invoice, hold, and handover will be recapitulation per day. The recap process is carried out by the practitioner 2 to 3 times a week because it's carried out alternately with other apprentices. And the last, inputting the recapitulation of problematic vendor issue on a regular basis. There are times when invoices are received with notes. When the invoice is received by finance with a note, the record will be recapitulated in the issue of problematic vendors. So, when the problem related to invoice reoccur, the invoice will be rejected or returned to the vendor. And the last, constraint and solution. Constraint. This is three constraint. First, some Some vendors who send invoice do not meet the requirements for receipt of invoice. So the document must be returned for revision on hold by finance. Second, the variety of vendors will with different invoice and completeness, and often there is the difference in the treatment of invoice receipt requirements in the three subdivisions of finance. And third, the signal network in the office is sometimes unstable when the practitioner want to input invoice data online on Google Sheet. And then this is the solution. First, communication to vendor regarding the requirements for completeness of invoice receipt flow, and clearly notifying if there are invoice documents that need to be revised. Two, try to understand every invoice file from the vendor and always coordinate with the subdivision supervisors in finance account payable. And last, make a copy of invoice tracker in Microsoft Excel offline and then upload the result of the work when the network is stable again, and prepare the personal data network. Okay, this is my internship program provided many benefits, especially for me to know more about account payable division and user practice. This is my final part of my internship report presentation at PT Triadi Bersama. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.